Downloads are great, but if you can't track where users come from or why they leave, you're not optimizing. You're guessing. In this lesson, we'll cover how to track attribution and uninstall data so you know which sources drive high-quality users and which ones are silently sabotaging your growth. What is attribution? Attribution is the process of identifying where your users come from, whether it's an ad, a search keyword, a referral link, or a social campaign. With the right setup, attribution helps you answer questions like, which campaigns bring the most installs? Which channels drive the highest retention? Are paid users sticking around or just inflating vanity metrics? And that's critical for ASO, because if a channel is driving bad installs, users who bounce immediately, it can hurt your rankings. Tools for attribution. Here are the top tools to track attribution across platforms. Adjust, great for cross-platform and fraud prevention. AppsFlyer, widely used in enterprise and gaming. Branch, excels at deep linking and deferred attribution. Singular, combines marketing and attribution analytics. Firebase, Google Analytics for Firebase, great for Android and free. Each tool helps tie installs to campaigns, keywords, and creatives, so you can double down on what's working. Apple's S Network also provides attribution for iOS, though with more privacy limitations post iOS 14.5. What is uninstall tracking? Uninstall data tells you when users delete your app, and sometimes why. While Apple doesn't share uninstall data directly, Android gives you this inside Google Play Console, statistics, uninstalls by device. You can also use SDKs or push providers to estimate uninstall trends across both platforms. Why uninstalls matter for ASO? Uninstalls are a negative signal. High uninstall rates suggest poor onboarding or misaligned expectations. If many users uninstall within 24 hours, your store listing might be overpromising. If uninstalls spike after a specific update, that update may have introduced bugs or friction. Lowering your uninstall rate improves retention, reviews, and rankings. How to analyze uninstalls. Track. Uninstalls by acquisition source. Uninstalls by device or country. Uninstalls by app version. Uninstalls after first open, day zero churn. Then ask, is a particular ad campaign causing high churn? Did recent ASO changes attract the wrong audience? Is your onboarding experience causing drop-off? Cohort uninstall tracking helps you answer these with precision. Best practices. Combine uninstall data with attribution to assess user quality by source. Use install to uninstall time as a retention proxy. Use in-app surveys or triggered prompts to capture uninstall intent, e.g., why are you leaving? Prioritize fixing the UX or creative that drives early exits. Final thought. In ASO, not all installs are good installs. Attribution shows you the where. Uninstall data shows you the why. Together, they give you clarity and the power to build an app that not only ranks, but retains. In our final lesson, we'll connect everything in your ASO growth flywheel, your system for compounding success. But first, go open your uninstall charts. What story are they telling?